Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. Today that we are playing Slide Down 99 Miles in a Box. Oh god, oh god, oh god, get in the box! Oh my god. Okay, here we go! Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I died! Oh my god. What are you all doing? Alright. This is so far so good. Okay, please make it. No! Why can't I make that jump? I am not going to get too mad because I am. Alright then, so I'm going to. They're spawning so many and tried to tell them to stop, but they didn't listen. Here goes, here goes. Let's get inside quickly. Okay. Oh my god. Here we go. I made it! Yes! Alright. This is so cool, guys. This is so cool. Lava! Seems I brought the lava back. I can't even control my mouse, guys. Alright. Sorry you guys missed half of the course. I had to pause for something personal. I'm not gonna say it though. Yes, I'm doing it! Oh my god. Oh my god. It's rainbow. I'm about to make it! Will I make it? No! I died! There's so many to choose from. I'm gonna get in there. I don't get why they like to spawn so many. Why does my mouse why does it change? Like, I don't know. Like glitchy. Oh my god, this mouse is annoying. You're kidding me, right? Oh my god. My mouse, I can't even move my mouse. Like, move. Like, I can't even move my mouse. Why are they spawning so many? Stop spawning. spawning so much boxes? Alright, I'm going to get in. What is that? What is he? Alright, here we go. And incoming waterfall. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have no control over my mouse. It's like so I can't even push it that way. It's just what is happening? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, excuse me. Oh my god, I can't control my mouse. Like, you see this, right? Like, I can't control it. I have no control. Oh my god, I just knocked a neon cat box out of the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like a neon cat. Not gonna lie. Huh? We're going like so much slower. Oh my god, it's a neon cat. Octopus. Oh my god. I have like no control over it. Like, you see this. Like, it's so hard to control. But here we go. This is where I died last time. No. Don't. No way. Am I gonna make it? Oh my god, oh my god. I made it! Yes! Oh my god. I got out of the box and it fell apart. Oh my god, I can beat doggies. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this extremely short video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye.